Short article marketing and internet marketing go hand in hand. Internet marketing and article marketing are not the exact same thing, because online marketing is a broad concept with numerous smaller size principles below it, and short article marketing is amongst these smaller elements of online marketing. The reason these two concepts go hand in hand is due to the fact that no online marketing project is total without some form of post marketing. Online marketing and article marketing go hand in hand due to the fact that utilizing posts to market yourself, your website, or your affiliate products is absolutely essential in producing a total internet marketing option. There are various types of web marketing that you can make the most of to get their names out there. However, most forms of internet marketing have expenses of some sort, due to the fact that marketing isn't totally free. That is, advertising isn't totally free unless you are marketing through article marketing. This distinct kind of marketing was popular long before e-commerce was a big thing. For as long as mass print methods have been available, services have been marketing themselves through short article creations. By providing something of value to print media, like commonly read papers in exchange for a byline or small advertisements, post marketing is an outstanding method for getting info out there and producing effective link backs to your site or affiliate items when it comes to e-commerce and internet marketing. When it concerns post marketing, there are many benefits and features to think about. This form of marketing creates effective links from popular websites back to your website or affiliate items. The more links you have coming to your website from other sources, the more powerful your website will be in search engine pages listings like Google. By offering worth in posts that you produce, you will be establishing yourself as a reliable authority on the keywords, niches, or topics that you are discussing. When readers know they can depend on you for real, sincere details, they will keep returning for more. By adding a byline or resource box to your content, you will be offering potential customers a method to contact you after reading valuable material. Not just will this create powerful links, but it will also assist link extra traffic to your site that you would not generally be able to get. By producing article enhancers for search engines, you will be improving your general traffic and even your overall page rank by submitting to material sites with huge page ranks and authority. For those factors, it is definitely crucial that post marketing be a facet or any online marketing strategy that you put together. While there might be a variety of various ways to market your internet website, among the most effective is to utilize important, easy to read post material with a call to action for the readers who have valued your work to visit your site to learn more products and newsletters and so on, etc., etc. Web marketing, post marketing are not the exact same thing. Since web marketing is a broad principle with a lot of smaller concepts below it, the short article marketing is one of those similar sized aspects of web marketing. The factor why these two ideas go hand in hand is due to the fact that no internet marketing project is complete without some form of article marketing. Web marketing and article marketing go hand in hand due to the fact that using short articles to market yourself, your site and affiliate items is absolutely crucial in creating a complete web marketing option. I do hope you have got something from this short video. Go through it again if you don't understand it. It's so easy. It's only just 6 minutes long or so. Now, if you do want more, I have a YouTube channel with over 330 videos up at the moment. Maybe a lot more by the time you get. I do one a day. If you go to look at it, it's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. I'll put a link above anyway. So that is over 300, let's say, just to be easy, of ways to earn money on the line, working from home, or affiliate marketing, etc., etc. Also, under this video, there's a like button. It's got a thumbs up. Click on that for me. Please subscribe, as that helps me with YouTube. If you want more videos and don't want to go right through my list, there's a bell at the top. If you press the bell and click all, YouTube will inform you when I put another video up, and you can just have a quick look at that if you wish. Now, also, underneath my video, there are a lot of links. I'll let you know now, they're all affiliated links. I don't own any of the programs. There are also links for the tools I use to make these videos, etc., etc. Now, if you do happen to like a program, go and join it, and also like tools and purchase some of them. Being an affiliate marketer with a link, I then get a small commission. This is the way of the internet, and probably be the same way that you will be trying to get your money. Now, I can recommend a program that I've been using, I don't know, 6-7 years. It's one of the best programs I've got. I started off as normal, excuse me, and got sent last year a sign up for a lifetime members page or site. I was that pleased with the program, I went ahead and I signed up. Now, I'm glad I did, because since then, every time I want something, I pass them my keywords, paste them into their box, and within 4 to 5 hours, I have 50 scripts available to use. Now, this saves anybody a heck of a lot of searching, copying and pasting on the internet, as they're already done for you. If you have scripts you want to use from other places, paste them into SpinWriter. They'll spin it for you, and you won't get done for copywriting. Super program, that's SpinWriter. So other than that, do your research on everything you do. Never just jump into a program. Always research it, and research it properly, because there's a lot of scams on the internet. Don't get caught for that. It's a waste of time and waste of money for you. Use Google. Put in what you want to join, whether it be a normal program, affiliate program, tools I'm selling even. Do a research on anything you go to get. Don't get caught. There's scammers everywhere on the internet, and you don't want to waste your time working well and then finding you're not getting paid at the end of it. So research. I myself use YouTube because I'm sort of lazy. YouTube gives you pictures and diagrams. You can see what's being done, whereas Google, you have to read it. You get the occasional diagram, but not many. So Google, YouTube. YouTube, you put in how to earn money on the internet, how to make money from home, how to start an internet business, those sort of things. And YouTube will come up with all the different things for you. So research and research. This is Ian Jackson here saying, please press the like button and subscribe, as that helps me. I wish you all the very best in your internet marketing. If you didn't catch it all, just go through the video again. It's not that long. So all the best, and I'll say cheerio. Please subscribe. Press the like button. Cheerio.